drop it. It's absolutely perfect, guys. Be back at you in a second. There she is. The RYS anvil. I love it. Somehow I got pour lines in this thing even though it's a cast. Look at that. Every piece of the detail on that mold. This turned out to be 5.68 ounces. And in case you're wondering, this is nothing like the Jaeger's anvil. Totally different model. This is cast instead of graphite poured. Sweet, huh? Oh, love that. Love it. I need to make a little hammer. Sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. That's available if you want it.